welcome. Like the new car? I'm heading out to my lean-to pull an overnighter. Gonna cook up some food, have a good night. It's gonna be a great time. Thanks for watching. Of course, I parked way further away than I had to, so I had quite a haul, probably 1 to 2 mile walk. The 1 mile walk up is inevitable. I don't know how far it is for sure, but it turned out to be an absolutely beautiful day. Just look at the forest around me. It's just so gorgeous out today. It's like 70 some degrees. It's perfect. I do want to get my bag out of the sun. I've got food in there. I don't want to get it too hot, so we'll see about that in a minute. Let's get it in the shade for now. We put this fire pit in last time. I dug it out, laid some base stones in, and also the siding tied down, and got the corners tied down last time. Just a quick review, guys. And then we got what I'm going to call our first layer of boughs on. As we can see, it needs touched up. For gear, it's my same old pack. A sleeping pad, a blanket, food, half a gallon of water. Oh, we've got water stashed over here from last time. Spring water. It's really good water. Brought my saw and my axe. We have to go look for the case for my saw, because when I cut that tree down and got lost last time, I forgot I left it hanging over a tree, so I gotta find that. I want to have a comfortable sleep tonight, so I definitely want to get 1 or 2 more straight logs for the bench. I know I've been saying it over the past couple of videos, but I'm ecstatic today, guys. I got my driver's license in my car. I never thought it would happen. Anyways, I'll quit yakking. Gotta get firewood. I've been talking too much. Sorry about that. That's spring water. Oh, good spring water there. Keep my water nice and cool. Keep the canteen back there too. So, yeah, I've got a gallon of water there. That's cool. I don't know if you can see that, but try to look at the saw. It's got all kinds of bends in it. I mean, it's a beautiful saw. It's a work of art. This was handmade for me. Is that a baby praying mantis? I don't know what that is. Oh, cool. He doesn't want to let go of my finger. He's got 6 legs. His front 2 legs are closed up. He looks like he's scared. That's so cool. Yeah, he's scared. I'm going to let him go. I'm going to put him down. I'll just set him on this. Oh, there's another one, too, on this leaf. Okay. I'll put you on here with your buddy. Maybe if you get off my finger, yeah. Check him out. That's why I love being out here. Okay, sheath and firewood. Quit my yakking. Let's do it. I don't want to lose that sheath. I don't want to bend my blade anymore. Maybe more towards the southern direction. The sun is right up here. Somebody gave me a comment about, well, the sun's at your back. How are you going south? Well, sometimes I have to adjust for the natural lighting to get a good shot. So I was probably just spinning around or something like that to get a good shot for the camera and everything. So, if I say I'm going in a direction and I'm not going in that direction, that's probably what's going on. I don't know. It's not that important. Oh, seems some nice firewood right there. Anyways, southwest it is. I'm not exactly sure if that's where we were, but that's where we're going to go. I've got to find that sheath. The sun is behind some clouds.
Yeah, and I'm recognizing this. Just want to check. Yeah, I just don't want to be the idiot who gets lost again, which I'm pretty good at doing. I don't know if I'm going to find it, to be honest with you. Oh, man. Why did I leave that there? I don't know why. Never leave articles of gear behind. But because last time I came up, when I came up, I was way off from the shelter, and I saw the tree, and then I pushed right over to the shelter, and then I tried to go back. I can't remember. It was a couple weeks ago. Oh, man. I don't know if I'm going to find it. And I don't know if Carl's going to make me another sheath for it either. Well, I'm just going to poke around out here. Oh, sweet. The blueberries are ripening. There's still a lot that have not ripened, but I saw a few coming in, sorry. But you gotta get them right in time or you lose out. That's what sucks. Anyways, the sheath. Yeah! Okay, well here's where I took the log down. I'm not seeing my sheath. Oh, man. Come on. Come on, what did I do with it? It's got to be out here somewhere. Yes! Yes! There it is. A little moldy. Cool. I didn't think I was going to find it. We'll clean it up. I'll take it home and clean it up. Yeah, here's the log we took down. That's going to work for my bench. Get a nice comfy sleep. So, I'm going to head back and make sure I know where I'm at. I mean, because, look. I mean, like I said, you turn to take a leak, you're lost. If you don't have the compass. But I got to get that log back to camp, and I got to learn my way around here. No excuses. You might say, well, how hard is it to, walk 50 paces in a general direction and not get lost? But it's actually more complicated than you might think in a newer area. So I'm going to see if I can find my way back without getting lost like I did last time. And oh. Yeah, and we're good. Now, this is not the way that I came, but it is in the general direction. And I know that we have to go north. A little off there. There we go. And here's a pile of boughs that I set down last time I got lost. I don't know, a couple videos ago. So, let's see if we can retract this. Yeah. Right, okay. Yeah, there we are. So it's going to be north, like I said. Okay. Cool. I know what I'm doing now, I really do. I promise. It needs a lot more work. It needs twice as much of what's there. But we'll get to it. Don't worry, we'll get to it. We're going to cover all this up. It's going to be totally hidden. I mean, sometimes that's the only reason I can see it is because of the reflection off the black there. But Some of it slid down a little bit, but that's what I wanted. I want to just keep piling and heaping on and get it totally camouflaged. So, looking good. I actually dropped it again and had to backtrack for it again, but I got it now. You stay right there. Here's what I'm after to measure the bench. I lost the last piece of paracord, so measure that out. Go get our log, our bench logs, and get some firewood. I've been putting it off. Plenty of daylight left though, so we're good. I've made this stinking walk so many times I don't need the compass anymore, so learning the land, learning the land. That's what we do. Just a little score mark there. I want to see if we can get 2 out of this. Yeah, I think we're going to get 2 out of that. There we go. I think that's going to do it. This camera's going to fight me too. Now I got to haul that back. Build out a pine, spruce or something else. That was not worth it. I don't know why I used hardwood for the bench, but that's all around. That's what I like, that's what I'm into. She should be snapping here in a minute. Solid oak. I mean, that is just super dense. And here's the other one over here. The bigger one. And I'll come back for that another time. I put my camera in my side pocket, dropped it, walked all the way out to the main trail because I got turned around looking for my camera, and I just found it. It's like 2 hours later after grabbing the log. I'm just giving up on this stupid log. Luckily, I found it right here by the stump. The other log's back there. The other log is that way. I've tracked my coordinates to this area. It's not going to happen again. But that's just some of the things you go through when you're learning a new area. Excuse me, I'm a little whooped right now. It's literally an hour and a half after the last scene, maybe 2. But I'm going to head back. I'm going to grab some firewood close to camp and get cooking because I'm hungry. So we'll see you there. I'm going to look for the log on the way back, but I'm not veering from my coordinates this time. Right here's a perfect size piece. Right here. Perfect firewood right there.
That might actually pass for a decent bench log, but I just need firewood. I'm going to check it out. That actually might work. Yeah, I could have cut it a little longer, but we'll keep that for now. This is a work in progress over like 3 videos. And I'll go grab the other end.
Just all over the place today, aren't I? Well, that actually might have been a good bench log as well. Nice and straight. Anyways, we'll get it sorted out. We've got plenty of firewood now. And I've got this big old log over here from last time too, my cutting log. That's a big thick one. Wasted lots of time on that other log, but whatever. It's a learning experience. You know, like I said, it's vast out here. It's huge. Like I said, you make one wrong turn, you're done. You're gone. And you know, you can gauge off the sun and everything, but that only does so much for you. Anyways, yeah. Finally done running around. I've got to get something to eat now.
The bugs are just killing it out here right now. Just some smaller stuff like that to lay on the twigs. Do the trick. Just give it a little help here. Let's take a chunk of this off. That doesn't need it, but whatever. We're pushing it here, but she'll go.
I'm always pushing it with the fire.
Let's try. Give this one a split too. I don't know, that's yeah. Nice dense oak there. Beautiful. Might try to split that one up too. Might baton some of that down. I don't know. We'll see. Nice. Good firewood. The bugs are just killing me out here. Anyways, there we've got some smaller pieces of wood to get the fire going good. Get some bigger logs on. I'll set you over here for now. We're going to go back to January 24th of 2020 and thank Andrea. February 8th, Gilbert P. February 14th was a Teespring. It's my t-shirts. You can get them. You can check the link in the description. Had some money come through for that. Carl, one of the biggest contributors to my channel. So, you know, I may have thanked you already, but it's been so long. Let's see. Jennifer J. on February 25th of 2020. And again, I may have thanked some of these people, but they deserve mentioning again. We're just going to go through February 29th. Carl again with a big donation. March 3rd, Karen C. June 22nd, 2020, Carl with a nice donation. Thank you, brother. And thank you for awesome gear, too, that you've sent in. Let's see, August 25th, June K. August 27th, John B. October 31st, Carl again with a huge bomb on the donation front. November 13th, Carl again with a huge donation. Thank you, brother. Karen C. on November 13th with a nice donation. December 24th, 2020, Eric Z. And I remember these dates, guys. I honor and respect you, and I appreciate you because you have no idea. I would not have made it, and I would not be here without this. June 19th, Tracy G with a nice donation. So, yeah, so that was the first one in 2021. Like I said, I kind of fell off the map, but Tracy G came through on June 19th, 2021 this year. So thank you for helping me out. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching, liking, and sharing, and just sticking with me after my big downfall. But like I said, I'm back, and I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I could just sit here and probably talk for hours thanking people. Okay. Here's the meal I've been working on. Oh, you hear that thunder? Yeah, bring it on, buddy. Now, last time I laid the tortilla down in, let's see, down in the pan or the pot, but this time I'm gonna do it on the grill. So I'm gonna put some veggies on. This is exactly what I did last time. Lots of cheese. Well, last time I put meat on top, so we'll pull some of these pepperonis and put them on top. We'll put the rest of the veggies on. Oh. Boom. Just like that. I'm going to set that guy right on there. All the veggies are falling out. As we can see, we're going to lose light soon. And I'm just getting the first meal on. This is supposed to be lunch. But yeah.
Awesome trip. Feeling good. Looking beautiful, listening to some birds. Where are you, buddy? We can put this guy on top. Kind of trap the heat and the smoke in there.
This actually might become firewood because you can see how that's not straight at all as compared to this guy right here. Let's just put him right in and see. Yeah.
That's pretty much perfect for me for hardwood.
That's much better. And there's 4 logs, so it's a little wider. That's gonna work really good. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna flip this thing here.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Let's tear into this bad boy. Look at that. Oh. Outdoor stromboli. I'm telling you what. That is good. It's got pepperoni, salami, peppers, onions. Definitely do it on the grill. I tried it in the pan the first time, but that's legit. There's juices dripping. The mozzarella just sets it off. Mm. Mm. Big old knot. But yeah, that'll keep us going for a little while. Look at this stuff, man. That's awesome. Super dense.
There's my whippoorwill. You hear him? He's always out here with me. Just as darkness sets in. It's my buddy. Firewood situation's looking good. Got plenty of good stuff. Some big ones. This is from the old bench. Good to go. Good to go for the night. Just been knocking off some of the stubs here. I don't want to pop my sleeping pad. Gotta get the stone in here, gotta get the grill going. Oh, what do I want to do here? How's the grill doing? And I've got some New York strip steaks here. Yeah!
I'm gonna let those go nice and slow.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got the grill marks going. Oh, yeah. There's one steak. Give that one a flip. Let that one go a little longer. Yeah. Okay. Gonna let those rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna tear them up. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so tender. Got the redness in there. Charred both steaks a little more. Excuse my greasy fingers and the bloody steak, but oh, that's how I like it. Getting killer steak in the woods at the lean-to. Haha. The fat infused killer. Mm. The sole ripped off my shoe. Can you believe that? Look at it. You gotta be kidding me. Just getting out my sleeping pad here. Now, I've got super glue at home, but this is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to... I did this last winter with some cheap junk boots. What's it take to get a good pair of boots? Yeah, hey, wow. Now I've got a 2-mile hike at least. Good morning. Got this floppy heel here. Very disappointed in that. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to tie a jammer here for my flip-flop hiking boots. Really frustrating. Now there is some quality footwear. Huh? We'll see how it holds up. We did get rain last night. It's coming down very lightly right now. But I need a cup of coffee and I'm all out of firewood, so I gotta get out there, find something. Well, the rain's starting to pick up. Just gonna hold off on the fire for a little bit. Break this little tiny piece down. There we go. We'll give that a minute. Oh, that could use some more water, actually. It's a little too dark. And it's coming down again. Gonna be stuck under the lean-to for a while. Get all my gear in here. Well, now the sun's coming out. This is all blueberries, all throughout here, this whole field. Back in here, and there's some right around here too, even in the shelter still. You can see these are still green, but I did find some ripe ones the other day. Yeah, I can't wait for those to come in. Anyways, back here is just my little stump where I cut firewood. And all blueberries back in here. Can't wait. Yeah, so here's my little cutting station. Just down from the lean-to. And one other interesting thing I found, may not be interesting to most of you, but we've got a pine growing here, which is cool. It's the only pine around here that I can see. Now there is, let's see, a pine region way down where I got the boughs for the back of the lean-to, but yep, just some observations about the area. Unfortunately, because of my boot here, I'm not going to be doing anything else today. Nothing but relaxation. Taking it all in. Gonna hang out for a little while, but we'll see. I got tons of snacks and plenty of water, and the fire's dying out here. But it's turning up to be a nice day. And I get the sweater off. Well, we didn't need the reserve, so I'm just gonna stash it back over here where it was. I really gotta cut these off. Maybe next time. There she is, all packed up. Thanks for watching the video if you watched to the end. I'm gonna get heading out. Gotta go get some new boots. Anyways, please subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, and like the video if you liked it. We'll see you next time. There's got to be some brookies in there.